Members of national ex-officio across the country, my dear fellow members of this great party who are lovers of this party, respected gentlemen of the press that are here this evening, I want to welcome you to this brief press address of the national ex-officio members. And it goes thus: as our great party approaches the 2003 general elections, we have been confronted with very disturbing and destabilizing scenarios playing out in our party against the plea of our then presidential candidate, His Excellency Atiku Abubakar, GCON, that admonished us to be very careful in our utterances, our posturing and body language in presenting to the public the internal issues of our party. The aggravating circumstances being thrown up by conflicting accusation and counter-accusation of who is right and who is wrong, a matter which the Forum of National Ex-Officio feel is not necessary at this electioneering period. It is our considered view that the driving force of PDP members from ward to national level is how best to win elections in 2023 to rescue, rebuild, and reposition Nigeria. We are greatly alarmed by the effect of all these controversies on the morale of the generality of our teaming supporters across the length and breadth of Nigeria and in its diaspora. We have therefore resolved as follows: to appeal to all party members, especially those who have expressed contrary views and opinions, to please share their sword and join hands in ensuring the victory of our party in the forthcoming general elections. 2, the National Ex-Officio Forum reiterate our support for the resolution of 97th NEC meeting, the purpose of which was to present the party as one united family going forward. We implore all our leaders and members who have one issue or the other to avail themselves of internal differences resolution mechanism as provided for in our party constitution. Finally, we reaffirm our loyalty and commitment to our party in its determined resolve to win 2023 general elections at all levels to restore Nigeria to its pride of place. May God bless us all. Long live the PDP, long live Nigeria. Thank you, and may God bless. Sit down now. Yes. They will excuse us and then we'll do.